Bill Murray, 76 years old in 2026. Comedy genius whose humor shaped generations of Hollywood laughter. Meryl Streep, 77 years old in 2026. Greatest actress of all time whose early performances turned into pure Hollywood history. Kathleen Turner, 72 years old in 2026. Bold voice and powerful presence in Hollywood cinema. Sissy Spacek, 77 years old in 2026. Quiet brilliance with emotional performances that defined generations. Sean Connery died at the age of 90 in 2020. The original James Bond whose timeless class and unmatched screen presence defined Hollywood royalty. Danny DeVito, 82 years old in 2026, small in size but giant in talent, a true Hollywood comedy icon. Michael Keaton, 75 years old in 2026, from Batman to Hollywood legend, a career built on pure versatility. Antonio Banderas, 66 years old in 2026, the Latin heartthrob whose passion, fire and charisma lit up Hollywood cinema. Liam Neeson, 74 years old in 2026, powerful screen presence who became Hollywood's ultimate action legend. Demi Moore, 64 years old in 2026. From 90s beauty icon to timeless star, she still defines elegance and Hollywood charm. David Hasselhoff, 74 years old in 2026, Baywatch legend who became the global face of 90s beach culture and TV fame. Melanie Griffith, 69 years old in 2026, a 90s red carpet queen whose beauty, fame and Hollywood glamour made her unforgettable. Don Johnson, 77 years old in 2026, Miami Vice legend who defined 80s style and attitude. Sharon Stone, 68 years old in 2026. Their Basic Instinct moment turned her into a global 90s superstar overnight. Joan Collins, 93 years old in 2026, Dynasty queen who defined luxury, drama, and elegance. Steve Martin, 81 years old in 2026, comedy legend whose timeless humor continues to never fade. Linda Hamilton, 70 years old in 2026, Terminator queen who redefined strength in female action roles. Kelly McGillis, 69 years old in 2026, Top Gun beauty who defined 80s romance cinema. Charlie Sheen, 61 years old in 2026, Hollywood's wild star whose energy defined 90s fame and chaos. Jane Seymour, 75 years old in 2026, a timeless beauty who ruled romantic storytelling. Heather Locklear, 65 years old in 2026, TV's 90s glamour queen known for beauty and fame. Chevy Chase, 83 years old in 2026, king of 80s comedy chaos and unforgettable humor. Bo Derek, 70 years old in 2026, legendary 10 who defined beauty of an entire era. Goldie Hawn, 80 years old in 2026, sunshine of Hollywood with pure joy and timeless charm. Barbra Streisand, 84 years old in 2026, a voice that shaped Hollywood music and emotion forever. Meg Ryan, 65 years old in 2026, queen of romantic movies and the face of 90s love stories. Jessica Lange, 77 years old in 2026, elegant, powerful, and unforgettable in every performance. Kevin Kline, 79 years old in 2026, classy performer who brought depth and elegance to cinema. Susan Sarandon, 80 years old in 2026, fearless Hollywood icon who owned every role she played. Timothy Dalton, 80 years old in 2026, darker Bond, intense, serious, and unforgettable. Kiefer Sutherland, 60 years old in 2026, 90s TV legend whose intensity defined action drama forever. Olivia Newton-John died at 73, 2022. The voice of a generation forever remembered in music and film. Andie MacDowell, 68 years old in 2026, face of romance films with soft beauty and elegance. Willem Dafoe, 71 years old in 2026, an actor of pure intensity with unforgettable screen presence. Deborah Winger, 71 years old in 2026, raw emotion and unforgettable performances in Hollywood drama. Daryl Hannah, 66 years old in 2026, dreamy Hollywood beauty who felt like a fairy tale. Billy Crystal, 78 years old in 2026, comedy legend who made audiences laugh for decades. Steven Seagal, 74 years old in 2026, action hero of the 90s known for calm strength and dominance. Scott Bakula, 72 years old in 2026, sci-fi hero who became a time-travel television icon. Alec Baldwin, 68 years old in 2026, Hollywood powerhouse with unmatched screen charisma. Joan Cusack, 64 years old in 2026, scene stealer whose comedy elevated every film. Gary Busey, 82 years old in 2026, wild energy and unpredictable Hollywood personality. Sybil Shepherd, 76 years old in 2026, TV glamour queen who defined 80s and 90s elegance. Lena Olin, 71 years old in 2026, European elegance that brought depth to Hollywood cinema. Pamela Anderson, 59 years old in 2026, ultimate 90s beauty icon who defined an entire generation of glamour. Kim Novak, 93 years old in 2026, classic beauty from Hollywood's golden storytelling era. Claudia Wells, 60 years old in 2026, Back to the Future nostalgia that never fades. Cynthia Rhodes, 70 years old in 2026, dance icon of 80s musical memories. Kelly Bishop, 82 years old in 2026, grace and strength in every performance she gave. Diddy Conn, 75 years old in 2026, pure nostalgia star loved across generations. Jamie Donnelly, 79 years old in 2026, Grease era energy that defined a generation. Michael Tucci, 80 years old in 2026, a strong supporting star in Hollywood history. Dina Manoff, 70 years old in 2026. Powerful emotional performances in classic TV drama. Stockard Channing, 82 years old in 2026. Iconic Hollywood actress whose unforgettable roles and powerful presence made her a true screen legend. Lindsay Wagner, 77 years old in 2026. Bionic woman known for strength, beauty, and empowerment. Shelley Duvall died at 75, 2024. A unique Hollywood soul whose performances became iconic. Jodie Foster, 63 years old in 2026. Child genius turned Oscar legend where intelligence meets pure acting brilliance.